when you turn it open, okay, when you turn it on, it's gonna go forward. When you let go forward, it's gonna stop because you know where the brakes are, okay? So let's go ahead and try it.
Okay,
Ready?
I'll do my best.
Okay. Okay, slow. Okay, just a little bit, right? See just how a little bit goes? Okay, go slow, right? Just go, keep doing that just for a little while, just to get used to it, okay? Not so much, not so much, not so much. Whoop. It's okay. Remember? Perfect.
That was so good. High five. Oh yeah. Rockstar.
Rockstar.
Amazing.
Very good. Go ride more.
Okay.
All right, mommy.
So I'm gonna do a other try to ride my motorcycle again.
Okay.
I'm gonna ride all the way over there to mommy, and when she goes like this, I have to stop.
All right. Perfect. I'm so excited for you. What did you just do, Hayden?
I just rode my first try on the motorcycle.
Yay!
I mean my fourth time.
Yay!
And I did so good on this try without falling.
Good. All right, let's do it again. Very good.
Amazing. Great.
Are you excited? What'd you do, Hayden?
I rode my motorcycle turning without falling.
Yay! You like it?
Yeah. I totally love it.
Cool. Don't go away.
You're doing amazing. Okay, what should we practice?